good morning. It is Friday, March 9th, 2000. Well, I had to come off sooner or later. I couldn't reach it. So, anyway, good morning. It is Friday, March 9th, 2018. I am on my way to a new customer's home. I had a call from a woman yesterday. She is interested in having a, well, she called it a shop, but she said it's just a large shed removed from her property. Apparently, she is going through a divorce and does not want her husband's shop on her property. So we're going to go out, take a look at it, see what it looks like, see how large it really is, and try to figure out what it's going to cost to not only take it down but to dispose of it. Gonna have to get a dumpster or something out there to get rid of it. We're almost there now.
Take the next right onto Big Oak Road.
I will definitely get you some shots. She's not here today. She called me this morning and told me that she wasn't going to be able to be here. She wasn't going to be able to be here because I guess one of her grandbabies is sick and she needs to babysit for her daughter. So we're coming here with nobody at the residence, and we're gonna just take a look around. Got the muck boots on so I can walk through all this slop without getting my feet all soaked. So let's take a look at what this estimate's gonna look like right after this. Wow, that's a beautiful shop. Bill's workshop. Doesn't look like it's that old. Downside to these jobs is generally when people are going through a divorce, they don't actually get the work done. They resolve everything, they get back together again, and of course the building stays, which would ultimately be the best, and I hope that's what happens for this couple. This is a beautiful building. I'd really hate to tear it down and throw it in the garbage, but it might come to that. See if we can't get a look inside through the window. And it's even drywalled in there. I don't know if you can see. This was built locally. I thought maybe Bill built his workshop. Let's get a measurement. I pace it off using my feet. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so it's 18 feet. 18 feet by 3, 6, 9, 12. 18 by 12. 18 by 12. And there's no way to get a dumpster back here. So all the pieces would have to be carried off the property. Unless we took down the fence. Yeah, looks like Bill built a nice little fence. Did a good job. Now, I don't think we can get a dumpster in here. We're gonna have to lug it, so I'm gonna need help doing that. I'm gonna need a team of people. We'll have to figure out what it's going to cost to tear that thing down. We could take it down in a day's time. It's going to need a crew of four or five people lugging wood and loading the dumpster. So it ain't going to be cheap. Wish I could put it in my yard. It's a beautiful shed. Well, that's a shame. We just left the shed demolition estimate. Terrible thing, divorce, you know. Going through a divorce is horrible. It runs your emotions all kinds of crazy directions. I mean, the woman said she wants the shed gone because it belonged to her soon-to-be ex-husband. I guess maybe she doesn't want to look out and have the memory, but you know, it's really a beautiful building. And I don't know how serious she is about having it demolished. She wants a written estimate so that she can give it to her attorney. She's probably going to just use the estimate to get the money from him to tear it down and then decide to keep it. I can't imagine she's actually going to tear it down. I don't know the circumstances of their divorce. I just hope that they work it out. I would like to personally thank you for watching my video and invite you to not only like it, but subscribe. And if you click the little bell next to subscribe, you'll be notified when I upload a new video, which at this rate, it's been a couple of weeks. I don't know if I can maintain that because as summer comes, things are going to get a lot more busier for me, and I may not have as much time on the computer. As far as this job here with the shed, the estimate for it, I'm figuring I need at least 2 people running debris to the dumpster and somebody helping me out as I tear it apart. So that's 4 people. Between the disposal rates, employee rates, and paying myself and having something for the business, I thought I could get the job done in one day with 4 people, and my estimate came in at $2,635. Thanks for watching.